So hello to all my dear aspirants. So this video is just regarding your helping in your preparation planning. So many of you have watched my previous video regarding how to plan for government dental exam, in which I have explained how you have to divide your time, how you have to divide your days, how you have to divide your subject in a topic wise manner, how you have to go for the revision. Everything has been explained in that video. Then also I have decided to provide you a few just a blueprint for the preparation. See, many of you have already started preparation in their own way. Some of you have contact me for the customized planning, so you can follow your good preparation whatever you are doing. But just one blueprint I'm going to provide you. You can follow this also, or you can customize this as per your thing. Customize means in the sense, dear students, let's say you are studying oral pathology. Some students have good oral pathology, they can complete in 5 to 7 days. Some students have good ortho, they complete in 2 to 3 days. Somebody have very weak ortho, they require some 4 to 5 days. So like that you can give your own days. Okay dear students, already we uploaded the papers also on our website mdsdentalacademy.in. All the subject wise papers, practice papers, more than 50 papers have been uploaded, including other GPSC and NEET past papers. And on our application, the notes, the micro lectures and past papers of GPSC have been uploaded. New we are keep on adding. Okay, so with new GPSC past papers also have been added, and also we are going to add 12 more subject wise papers, and as time permit, more and more papers we are going to add for your practice. So now dear students, we used to divide normally a preparation in 2 phases. The first is preparatory phase, which go around 80 to 85 days. Then comes the smart revision phase for the last 1 to 1.5 months. Remember dear students, GK is very important, but not at the cost of your dentistry. We uploaded around 11 to 12 PDF with important MCQs on our app that can be studied by a student every week, 1 or 2 hours, so they can get adapted to the GK question, how and which type of question they may ask. Okay dear students, so GK has to be studied, but not at the cost of dentistry, and not more than in a month or in a week 2 to 3 hours. Plus please be thorough with the news going on, the important updates going in India and in Gujarat and around. You can see the word PPM many times in my app also, and in this video also. PPM means physiopharmac medicine. So what I do, let's say you are studying GIT, you don't have to study GIT or physio only or pharmac only, you have to study in the interrelated manner. That's a physiopharmac and medicine. Okay dear students, so you can see we have first a preparatory phase, so you can check on the screen. That's from 9 to 15 June. You have to study 3 important things: big subject, that's endodontics, then one small subject, dental anatomy, and PPM one, that is respiratory and cardiovascular system. Then we are going to add one more extra paper on 16 June that you have to give. Then 17-22 we have a conzo, anatomy, and then blood. Then exam will be there. Then on 23rd to 30th June we have a perio implant, antibiotic analgesics. 1st July you have exam. 1st to 12th July we have oral path, OMR, oral radiology and general pharmac, followed by exam. Okay, then you can see here general oral surgery, then orthopedo, then public health dentistry. Then 2nd August we have biochem, renal, GIT and liver. On 11th to 20 August we have prostho, DM. Then 21-26 August we have microbiology. Then 27 to 3rd September we have anat, embryo and histology. Then we have a general path, ANS, CNS. So like that till 10 September our preparatory phase will be going on, in which we are going to complete all our 21 subjects with 12 exams. I always tell my dear student to practice past papers once you complete at least half of your course, so you will not get confused and not think that okay, this exam is very or really it is tough. Okay dear students, again I am telling, for preparation you have to use my lectures. I have been made in very concise way, small lectures that help you to preparation. Remember, you don't have to study one subject in so much detail that a remaining subject will be left. You have to study whatever is the needed, because this is the MCQ exam and you have to complete 21 subjects in very short duration of time. Okay, so let's see you follow my lectures. After focusing on my lectures, you can go through pulse synopses. Side by side you can do the MCQ also. Don't study in very detail, just question answer is more than enough. If you find any difficulty, you can go through the explanation also. If time permits, go through my notes also. In very beautifully I have written the notes, so like that you can follow your things. Any problem you have in your preparation, you can let me know. So once you complete your preparatory phase, you have to go for the revision, in which you can give for past year practice. Plus you can just go through the MCQs which you found very tough. Like let's say you are reading today a developmental disorder of teeth and supporting structures. You are studying 130 MCQs. If you are finding 5-7 MCQs very difficult, try to take them at the same time. For revision, you have to see those MCQs only. Okay, dear students, and I always suggest to revise my lectures again just before the examination, so that also will help you in preparation. I'll keep on updating with the important points like how to fill the form, when the form fill coming, everything will be uploaded on a WhatsApp group in which you will be created. Any problem is there, you can WhatsApp me, and definitely I'm going to help you at every point of the preparation. Okay, dear students, so that was from my side. Any help, anything you have my WhatsApp number, you can message me. Definitely I'm going to help you on the spot. Sometime I will be busy in my college, in my practice, so I will be responsible to answer you within 4 to 8 hours. The things will be solved at your end. Till then, dear students, take care. Now we have very few days for the examination, so you have to give at least 2 to 4 hours initially, then try to increase to 4 to 8 hours, and you have to grill yourself because it's a very tough examination, and the many students are going to give the examination, so it will be very, very tough exam. Not in the terms of the things stuff will be asked, in terms of the competition, I'm telling, because 20 plus 27 47 seats are there, so many students will be there. So please work hard properly and with seriousness. That's all for my dear students. Take care.